They are now pushing the crowd back. They're like, is finally last day. In Camden, the crowd's backing up. They're continuing to move slowly on this crowd. The flash grenade being used.
You know what, Steve? Let me update our viewers here. We're having a hard time hearing Steve because he called in earlier to us with the gas mask on. It is hard for us to understand that. Obviously, he and his team needs to stay safe on the ground there. If they can get far enough away to call in to us safely without that gas mask, we will bring him back to you. But what you are looking at again are live pictures of the scene unfolding now, 9:37 p.m. Central Time, far before that midnight curfew was supposed to take place. And you see chaos breaking out on the streets there of Ferguson, Missouri. This following a day where a major rally and service was held at a local church in remembrance of Michael Brown, that unarmed teen who was gunned down now just over a week ago, who was shot and killed by a police officer there in Ferguson. I want to read you something that Steve was able to tell our team a little earlier this evening over the phone. I'm going to read you a quote here from Steve on the ground. He said hundreds of protesters started marching towards the command post at the Target store. Police deployed officers and tear gas to turn them back. Steve also says that he witnessed authorities shooting at a defiant protester with rubber bullets.